Hi, hello, Sai Ram. Welcome to Sai Nakshatra Collections. I am Raksha. If anyone new to the channel, please subscribe ಮಾಡಿ, like ಮಾಡಿ, share ಮಾಡಿ, bell button click ಮಾಡಿ for more updates. If anyone new to the channel, ನನ್ನ ವೀಡಿಯೋಸ್ನ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ವೀಡಿಯೋಸ್ನ ರೆಫರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಕಸ್ಟಮೈಸೇಷನ್ದು ವೀಡಿಯೋಸ್ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇಫ್ ಎನಿ ಒನ್ ಆರ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ವಿತ್ ಎನಿ ಅದರ್ ಕಸ್ಟಮೈಸೇಷನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೂ ಸೆಂಡ್ ಮೀ ದ ಡಿಸೈನ್. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಕಸ್ಟಮೈಸ್ ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಯುವರ್ ನೀಡ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಸ್ಟಮೈಸೇಷನ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ರೂಬಿ ಕಟ್ Manulu ಅಂತಾರೆ ಇದನ್ನು. Okay, there's n number of cuttings in that. So because of the cuttings, we'll have that beautiful shine. Okay, this is a original rubies. In the market, this is called as cut Manulu. Okay, this comes in graduation in size. ನಿಮಗೆ ಕ್ಲೋಸರ್ ಲುಕ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಹೌ ದ ಕಲರ್ ಇಸ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ pinkish in color. This is a ruby color. Okay, and I've used this beautiful Victorian pendant, side locket pendant, and ma'am wants this back chain to be in Manulu andidru. That is a round Manulu. This cutting Manulu won't come in a same size. Graduation al barutte, small to big. So this is how it is. See the complete look. Shine ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. Transparency ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. The light passes. Very nice, very good shine ನೋಡಿ. ಅದರದ್ದು ಲುಕ್ ನೋಡಿ. I've used cappings for each and every beads. ಕಟ್ಟುತ್ತೀಗ ವರ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದಿದ್ರು ಮ್ಯಾಮು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿಕ್ಟೋರಿಯನ್ ಪೆಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಲಾಕೆಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂದಿದ್ರು. ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಪರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ಸ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಐವ್ ಕಸ್ಟಮೈಸ್ ದಿಸ್. ಸಿ ದಿಸ್ ಅ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಕಟ್ Manulu. 2 lines 18 inches in ಲಾಂಗ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ, 1 full ಲೈನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಕಟ್ Manulu ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಲೈನ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟೇ ಬಂದು ನಿಮಗೆ 4,800 rupees ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ ದಿಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಅರೌಂಡ್ 5,200 rupees. This piece is cost as rupees 5,200, free shipping all over India. If anyone are interested, can book your orders, or if you have any other designs also, you can let me know that I will customize according to your needs. Okay na? It's a very beautiful piece. This is a precious one, a ruby cut Manulu, they'll tell. Your next customization order. This is a Chethan rubies 4mm in size. Ma'am's customization order. This is how it has come out. This is 24 inches in long. And ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಇದೇ ಥರ ಕಸ್ಟಮೈಸೇಷನ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದಿದ್ರು, ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದಿದ್ರು. ಆಸ್ ಪರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಕಸ್ಟಮೈಸ್ ದಿಸ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಆಸ್ 5 lines 4mm in size, original Chethan rubies, original Swarovski pearls, Australian Swarovski pearls with original Chethan emeralds ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಕ್ಲೋಸರ್ ಲುಕ್ ನೋಡಿ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಹೌ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್. ಓಕೆನಾ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ at rupees 5,200, free shipping all over India. 24 inches Chethan rubies 4mm in size. If anyone are interested with any other customization design, you can do send me. I will customize according to your designs. Okay, so next customization order nodana. This is a beautiful black diamonds 2.5 mm in size barutte. 3 lines in each row madidini. So there are 2 rows, so it has 6 lines of beautiful black diamond. Shine nodi adardu. Okay na, this is around 20 inches in long barutte. 6 lines of black diamonds kattu tiga with ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಬೆರಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರೂಬೀಸ್ ಐವ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್. ಇದು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಇದೇ ಥರ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನನಗೊಂದು ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ರು. ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸೆಂಡ್ ಮೀ ದ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್. ಸೊ ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ಸ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಐವ್ ಕಸ್ಟಮೈಸ್ ದಿಸ್. ಸೊ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಇದೇ ಥರ ಕಸ್ಟಮೈಸೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡಿ ಅಂತಂದಿದ್ರು. ಸೊ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಡನ್ ದಿಸ್. So look at the shine of the black diamond. I have used premium Kattutika. If anyone are interested in silver also, you can do book your order. Silver Kattutika is also available with me. The next video I'm uploading every model with silver itself. So this is 2-step model with black diamonds 2.5 mm in size barutte, 20 inches in long. So this is priced at rupees 2,800 rupees, free shipping all over India. If anyone wants this, you can book your orders. These are readily available. Okay. ಕ್ಲೋಸರ್ ಲುಕ್ ನೋಡಿ. ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಮ್ ಕಟ್ಟೋತೀಗ ಶೈನ್ ನೋಡಿ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಡೈಮಂಡು ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಬೆರಿ ಬೀಡ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ರೂಬೀಸ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕಲ್ಲಿ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ Swarovski pearls, original Australian Swarovski pearls I have used. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಅರೌಂಡ್ 20 inches in ಲಾಂಗ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ಶೈನ್ ನೋಡಿ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಡೈಮಂಡು, ಹೌ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಶೈನಿಂಗ್. ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಐ ಗಿವನ್ ಅ ಚೈನ್, 2 inch ಆಫ್ ಚೈನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದಿದ್ರು. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಲುಕ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ 21-22 inches ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಹೌ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್. ಕ್ಲೋಸರ್ ಲುಕ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀರಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ಡ್ at 1,800 rupees, ಫ್ರೀ ಶಿಪ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ಆಲ್ ಓವರ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ. ಇಫ್ ಎನಿ ಒನ್ ಆರ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟೆಡ್, you can book your orders with the same piece or any other customization also you can go with. So this is how it is looking. It's a beautiful model. Sarees, your kurtas, dresses, it goes with anything. Black will go with anything. Black is a universal color, so it will go with anything. ಸೊ ಇದೇ ಥರ ಸೇಮ್ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಲೈನ್ ಒಂದು ಬೇಕು ಅಂದಿದ್ರು, ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಲೈನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ 19 inches in ಲಾಂಗ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಒನ್ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಲೈನ್ ವಿತ್ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಡೈಮಂಡ್ಸ್, 2.5 mm ಸೈಜು ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಡೈಮಂಡ್ಸು, ಒನ್ ಲೈನ್ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಲೈನ್ ಕೂಡ ನಾನು ಕಸ್ಟಮೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ವಿತ್ ಅ ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಮ್ ಕಟ್ಟೋತೀಗ. If anyone are interested, you can book your order. This is priced at rupees 899, free shipping all over India. 899 free shipping. Original black diamonds, 2.5 mm in size, premium ಕಟ್ಟೋತೀಗ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ 1 inch ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಚೈನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಲುಕ್ ಎಟ್ ದ ಶೈನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಚರ್. ಸೊ ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಡೈಮಂಡ್ಸ್. Okay, single line, 2 lines, 3 lines, a number of lines I will customize according to your need. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಸಿಲ್ವರ್ ಕಟ್ಟೋತಿಗಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೋದು. It will be very nice because it can be replated, so you can go with silver also if anyone are interested in silver. So next customization order ನೋಡೋಣ. So this one I've already showed in my previous video. This is another order, ma'am bere, like they have given the same customization order. This is in Chethan rubies, 4 mm in size, 8 bunch barutte, andre 8 lines barutte, a bunch of 8 lines. Okay, premium kattotiga with Australian Swarovski pearls and rubies I've used. This is a beautiful piece, hit design to tell you. I've got around 10 to 12 pieces as the same one for customization order ge. One they have asked with 20 inches, another asked with 30 inches long ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು. So I have customized this. This is around 22 inches in long. This is 22 inches in long ಬರುತ್ತೆ. You can see the closer look. This is a original Chethan rubies premium ಕಟ್ಟೋತಿಗ I have used. And back ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಚಂದ್ರಹಾರ ಚೈನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. And I've given 1 inch of back chain. It's a beautiful Chethan rubies, 4 mm in size ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Even Chethan rubies 3 mm in size ಅದು ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಅದಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ನೀವು ಕಸ್ಟಮೈಸೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೋದು. ಇಫ್ ಎನಿ ಒನ್ ವಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ನು ಸ್ಮಾಲರ್ ಸೈಜ್ ಬೀಡ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಇದೇ ಥರ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಬೇರೆ ಎನಿ ಅದರ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕಸ್ಟಮೈಸ್ ದಿಸ್. ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಇನ್ 3 mm, 3.5 mm and 4 mm in size of Chethan rubies. So you can customize according to your bead size. Okay, idallu kuda I can customize in a different size of Chethan rubies. Okay, this is priced at rupees 3,800, free shipping all over India, at the same price as the previous one, 3,800 free shipping all over India. So this is another customization. This is the hit design, as to say the bunch of 8 pearls, Australian Swarovski pearls, original one. This is a gold copy pen. This is a gold copy chain. Okay, this is a beautiful bunch, and I've got many orders in the same piece, so I just wanted to show you all. Look at the closer look. Swarovski pearls, 3 mm in size barutte, 8 lines barutte, 8 bunch of 8 lines. It's a beautiful one. I've used Nakshi balls and premium Swarovski pearls, 3 mm in size barutte, Swarovski pearls. Beautiful piece. And I've used Chandrahara chain in the back. It's a beautiful piece. If anyone are interested, you can book your orders. This is 22 inches in long barutte. Okay, see, you can count, it is 8 lines, completely 8 lines ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, you can go with any other design. Step model ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ. If anyone wants in step model also, you can go with 10 bunch, 10 lines. Okay, it looks very, very nice, excellent. They will go with 12, 20 lines also, bunch of pearls ಅಂತ. Ram show ಅಲ್ಲಿ they will definitely, in a ram show anything, I've seen around 20 bunch of pearls they will wear. It looks very elegant, so you can try that also. I can do any other customization also. If you need it, you can just send me your picture, I will customize this. Okay, this is priced at rupees 2899, free shipping all over India. You can please book your orders. So next bandu, this is a beautiful Manulu. As you know, this is a V shape model, hit product in my collections also. This is around 20 inches in long bandide this time. Okay, V shape model barutte, 3mm Manulu, pink Manulu I've used. So next model bandu, this is a beautiful black diamond, 3mm in size of black diamonds, original black diamonds with premium katutiga I've used. Okay, 2-step model barutte, Australian Swarovski pearls, and I've used Chethan rubies. Okay, this comes around 20 inches in long barutte, complete 20 inches step model barutte. So if anyone wants in this 3 steps also, you can go. So this is 3mm black diamond, original black diamond with premium katutiga I've used, Swarovski pearls and Chethan rubies I've used. In the last video I've just shown a single line. This is a 2-line step model with a black diamond. Adu shine nodi, texture nodkoli. These are really original one. Okay, close on look of the Australian Swarovski pearls and Chethan rubies. You can see Chethan rubies 4mm in size use madidini, Australian Swarovski pearls I've used, and premium katutiga I've used. Okay, and 3mm gold, 3mm black diamonds, original black diamonds. Step model barutte. If anyone are interested, you can book your orders. This is priced at rupees 1899, free shipping all over India. 1899 free shipping. If anyone are interested in this model, please book your orders. These are readily available. So thank you so much for watching the video and supporting me. Please support us as you people are doing now. Thank you so much. Bye. See you in the next video.